Welcome to dear student. Myself Srimati Vidya Patil. Now, this is the textbook of subject Information Technology Standard 11. This textbook is for arts, commerce and science student. This information technology textbook can be designed Maharashtra State Board, Pune. Now, the index of subject information technology standard 11 is given below. The theory chapters can be given. The first chapter is basics of information technology. In this chapter, we can learn the definition of IT, ICT, various concept of IT, architecture of computer science, units of memory, and recent trends of IT. The next chapter is Introduction to DBMS. In this chapter, we can learn the concept of DBMS database management system and RDBMS relational database management system. Also to understand the SQL language, structured query language. The next chapter is third, impressive web designing. In this chapter, we can learn the working of web, how to design a web pages, various tags for HTML language, inserting images on web pages, various forms in HTML, basics of JavaScript, simple JavaScript programs. The next fourth chapter is cyber law. In this chapter, we can introduce the cyber law, ethics and morals, cyber crimes and cyber safety and security, cyber related law IT Act 2000, and the next is skill oriented practicals. In this practicals, we have given select any 4 skill oriented practicals from the following list. We have given 6 practicals. Then out of 6 we can learn any 4 practicals. The first practical is daily computing, LibreOffice, that is MS Office. Second is web designing for HTML5. HTML5 is a programming language. Third is client-side scripting. This JavaScript language can be used. Fourth, accounting package, GNU Khata. This software can use for accounting package. This practical is useful in commerce student. Fifth number, digital content creation, GIMP Inkscape. Sixth number, DBMS Postgres SQL. These 6 practicals We can learn any 4 out of these. Next is appendix steps for installation. These softwares list can be given: Linux OS, LibreOffice, PostgreSQL, GNU Khata. These softwares can how to install. The steps are given to the textbook. Now, the topic-wise mark distribution weightage for term first. We have to given a 4 chapters, but in terminal exam we have to study 2 chapters. First is basics of information technology. This is for 30 marks, and second chapter is introduction to DBMS. This is for 20 marks. Now, in second term, we have to learn total 4 chapters. The first 2 chapters can learn in first term, and third and fourth chapter is learn in second term. The annual exam having these 4 chapter. The first chapter, basic of information technology, mark weightage is 20 marks. Second, introduction to DBMS, marks is 15. Third chapter, impressive web designing, mark weightage is 30 marks. Fourth chapter, cyber law, marks are 15 marks. Now, the term first sample question paper format for 50 marks. Now the terminal exam having 50 marks question paper. The 15 mark question paper can be distributed the following. The first question is fill in the blanks, having number of question is 5, total marks is 5. The second question having state true or false. Number of questions are 5, marks also 5. The third question is multiple choice single answer. The multiple choice having number of questions are 10 and marks are also 10. The fourth question can be given multiple choice 2 correct answer. The 2 correct answer having 5 questions and marks is 10. The fifth question is multiple choice 3 correct answer. Question is having 2, marks is having 6. Next question is question number 6. Match the following. Having number of questions 4, marks is 4. The 7th question is answer in briefly. We have to given 8 questions and then solve any 5. The marks is 10. This is the sample question paper format for terminal exam 15 marks. Now, next term second sample question paper format for 80 marks. Question number 1 is fill in the blanks. Number of questions are 10. Marks is also 10. Second question is state true or false. Number of question is 10. Marks is also 10. Third question is multiple choice single answer. Number of questions are 10. Marks are 10. The fifth questions multiple choice 3 correct answer. Number of questions are 2. Marks is 6. The 6 questions match the following. Number of questions are 4, marks also 4. The 7 questions, answer in brief. Number of questions are 8. We can solve any 5. The marks is 10. The 8 number question. A. Write codes in HTML. This question having or write codes in HTML. Question number 8A. 2 questions can be given for program. Any one can be solved. Marks is 5. Same way, in question number 8B, 2 questions can be given in JavaScript program. Any one can be solved and the marks is 5. Now, 80 marks theory question paper pattern we can learn. The practical is having 20 marks. Practical, first write a program and execute it, 15 marks. Out of this 15, writing code 10 marks and execution is having 5 marks. And complete and certified journal is having 5 marks. Then the total marks for practical can be 20 marks. Thank you.